What are the options for denture wearers? They come in, or maybe people that need a complete, extractions. What are their options as far as dental implants?
Well, probably the simplest option, and the first option is just 2 implants. This is the lower arch, and the dentures just snap in and snap out.
So is this exactly the way it is? I mean, this is
yeah, just like that.
Snaps in
and snaps out.
pretty firm.
Yeah.
Is it hard for them with their hands to pull these out?
Yeah, but that's why we have practice sometimes. We have to practice.
Okay.
So I actually had a gentleman. He'd been coming to the practice for years. He had his own natural teeth on the upper. And he'd been in the practice. Every time he came for his maintenance visit, he was complaining about his lower denture. After about 5 years, I'd had enough. I'm done. I said, Robert, I've heard you complain for all these years. So anyway, I'd had enough, and I said, how would you like to have a lower denture that just stays in place? He said, well, yeah, I'd like that. He said, but I don't think I don't want to afford it, and I don't want to pay for it. I said, but you really like it, right? So I'm going to give you 3 implants that are going to lock your denture in. Yeah, we're going to use your own denture. And if you don't like it, you don't have to pay for it. He's like, are you kidding? I said, no, really. I said, I'm tired of hearing you complain. We did the 3 implants. We attached them to the denture. I said, I'll see you in a week. I said, come back for a week check. He came back in a week. I walked in the room. He looked at me. He said, why didn't you make me do this 15 years ago? I said, I guess you just weren't ready. He is one happy camper. Because again,
he ended up paying you.
He absolutely paid me.
Is that right?
Yeah.